Lift it up a little bit. Like, can you lift it up? The whole pole.
I'm trying.
Good morning, the peoples. This morning it's cool this morning. We are back in Point Comfort at Lavaca Bay again. I got some new fishing partners on board with me today. Look here, P. I got my grandbaby with me today.
Say hi.
That's Paxtyn. And that's my daughter Melody underneath all that. And El Chupe. That's my son-in-law Frank. So y'all gonna see quite a bit of them today. We're going to be out here. It's about barely broke 50 degrees this morning right now. It's still a little cool. It's supposed to get up in the upper 70s today. We're going to have probably, if the weathermen are right, we're going to have about a 4 to 6 mile an hour northeast wind. We'll see how good they are at that today. We got an outgoing tide. We're supposed to be an outgoing tide right now. It's not super low. It's a little low this morning. It's supposed to go out till about 2 o'clock. Prime time is I think around 11:30 to 2:30, somewhere in there. 12:30 to 2:30 today. It's a major feed, so we got a full moon tonight. It's Halloween day, and we're gonna go out and see what we can do. We're in Lavaca Bay, leaving the boat ramp at Point Comfort back behind us, and we got a whole day of fishing ahead of us. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna see what we can do. Yeah. On the hatchet. Tell them bye, P.
Bye.
All right, we're at our first stop this morning, and we're going to try this. I got a feeling we're going to do a little better after lunch today, from about the noontime hour till about 3 o'clock. That's the major feed time, but also give that water a little bit of time to warm up, get that bait working, and get the redfish moving up on the banks a little bit more and a little bit hungrier. We're going to give it a whirl this morning. We're fishing with live shrimp under a rattling cork, and we're going to see if we can put the little grandbaby on one. She's back there sitting in the back. This is her first fishing trip with us on the boat. She's been on the boat before, but she's never been fishing. So we're going to do this. And also, she wanted me to remind y'all and let y'all know that she has her own YouTube channel. It's called Adventures with Paxtyn. It's spelled P-A-X-T-Y-N. So y'all can go on, find her on her page. And she told me to make sure that I got her some video that she could put on her page too. So y'all can check her out at Adventures with Paxtyn on YouTube. And that's Paxtyn back there in the back in the pink coat.
Can you wave at Poppy?
She has a birthday next week, Tuesday. She'll be 8 years old.
Yeah.
So hopefully we're going to put her on some fish today and see how that works out. Y'all stay tuned. Is anything this one need a net?
You got a drum, girl. Nice. Look at you.
Here you go, Mel. Trying to get a, oh, that's a sheep's head. That's actually a keeper size sheep's head too.
Don't pull your rod out. Keep your rod.
I can't get a good camera angle on this, but there it is. Paxtyn hooked up on a sheep's head. Looks like it's going to be a, oh yeah, got a keeper one there. Right off the bat this morning. Yeah.
Yay, you got the first fish. Can I touch it?
Yes, ma'am. We're going to get it off and get you a picture. See, we take these things right here.
We're going to eat these guys?
Yeah, that one's edible. That one's called sheep's head. We'll put that in his mouth. That'll hold him.
first ever fish at all.
You've got some little ones.
I meant to say my first big.
First keeper fish to eat, huh? All right. Hang on, let me get my camera out. There's Paxtyn, and she's very proud of that sheep's head. That's about, I'm gonna call it 16 inches. That's a pretty good size one. We're gonna get a still shot of this here.
Put your arm out to the side just a little bit so Poppy can see your face.
Okay, hold it up like P, right here.
Look.
Hold it up like that. And hold it in closer to you like this.
And now push your arm straighter out.
And hold your arm out like this. Toward me, lift it up. Lift it up.
There you go.
And look at me and smile. There you go.
You go,
Okay.
girl.
Oh, it's a big.
Oh, now it's got, come out and show you something. They call them sheep's head. I'm gonna show you why. Look inside their mouth. Look at those teeth they got.
They got teeth.
Yeah, see those teeth right there? You can feel them if you want to.
No.
And but the one thing you gotta be real careful for on these sheep's head like this, that is super sharp, like
That's why I
like a
looked over
needle.
here.
Yeah. So we're gonna put him in the ice chest. We're gonna take him home and put the irons to.
Mama, can you take it?
No, wait.
Poppy got pictures.
I'll send the pictures to you, Mom. Hold it by the red handle.
No, I want you to show Sissy.
Well, we will, baby.
Listen, Poppy will send me the pictures later and I'll send them to Sissy, okay?
Yeah.
She's still sleeping anyway.
Hey, Pete, look, I'm gonna show you what we do with him now. We go back in. We put him on the norther. You go in there. You get to meet Bubba later.
You go, Pete.
They don't look like nothing we're gonna write letters home about. No, he ain't. That ain't fighting like a stingray. Beautiful, a little bitty red. Just flip him up here.
I was right, Daddy.
Well, the babies are in here. Anyway, one of them.
Yeah.
Little Dink.
Little guy.
She was sight fishing that one and Rico hooked up on him. We need a net.
Don't feel like it.
I didn't hear no drag going yet. Hey, flip him up in
Oh,
here.
I'm stuck in my jacket.
Well, she caught him. This fish here come right up against the bank, right behind the boat. It was feeding.
Watch that hook, baby.
And saw the boat and spooked.
Yeehaw.
And there she is. She turned around and
You got the top of the hook?
cast out there and he took it. But he wasn't big enough. Look here, Pete.
You want to kiss him?
Give him a fit kiss? No? So we'll get out there with those fish here. You got a flounder? Yeah.
Ooh, nice. It looks nice size too. You see it, P? Look at it.
What side you on?
Oh, under the boat. Here.
Don't let her scoop.
Here, hold on, P. Hold on. I'm gonna bring it to Poppy. Paxtyn, let go. There you go. You wanna look at it?
Blackfish. Look at that one, P.
Like a tortilla.
Have you ever seen one like that? Look at it. You wanna look at it? They look kind of goofy.
Ooh, watch.
Oh, yeah.
Here, hold on. Oh, got Poppy sunglasses.
You got a poppy pack.
There you go.
That it?
Yeah.
Can you see how long that is?
Like just over 15.
Okay.
What is it, flounder?
They just changed it to 15 in October.
It's like 15 and a quarter.
September.
Oh yeah.
Oh, be careful, baby.
Here you go.
Whenever you can, Pete, try to stand with your feet a little bit apart as much as you can. That'll give you better balance.
Cool beaners.
All right. All right, Pete, we're gonna put him in here with yours, okay? They can be best friends. On to the next one.
It's a big fish.
You got
I'm
something
already
going on.
about to know.
Shut your mouth,
I
sir.
was gonna say flounder, but that ain't no flounder. That's a
Keep it over
I
here.
didn't press the button.
No, that was Poppy. Stingray.
Dojo.
I said shut your mouth.
Whoa, but it's dirty.
That is not what we wanted.
not our target species.
It was a shrimp, Mama.
Keep going.
The side over here, too, away from the motor.
There you go. Stand up. Go to Poppy's side.
Now lift it up and see what you got. No, don't reel it no more.
Lift it up a little bit. Like, can you lift it up? The whole pole.
I'm trying.
Stingray.
Oh,
That's all right. Oh, hold on. Yeah, can you hold it just like that?
maybe no.
No, no, no. You don't have to lift it up. Just hold it still.
Bring it over this way, Pete.
Yeah.
Don't
No,
bend
no,
it
no.
out anymore.
Here, stop. Let's get it to Poppy.
Oh, it's heavy.
I know. Here, let go. I got it. Don't lift it up too high.
Hey, you want a picture with it?
No. I was going to actually say sure, but no.
We're over here. We're sitting on a bank right now. Pulled up. This is a spot we fish pretty often. I fished it a lot. We call it the Windmill because there's a windmill up on the bank where we're at.
Where?
And we generally catch a lot of black drum here, decent size one, keeper size. So we're going to see what we can do today. Paxton's going to play in the mud. Look, P. Paxton's going to play in the mud for us.
Because I basically won already a challenge.
Oh, because basically she already won a challenge. I don't know what challenge she won.
First catch of the day.
First catch of the day, okay.
And also the first keep.
Oh, the first keeper of the day too, okay. Well, we're gonna see what we can do here, see if we can catch some of these black drum off this bank. The tide is super low right now, and we're waiting for it to turn and come in. We're slack right now, so it turns in, we're gonna get up and go fish somewhere else. But for right now, we're gonna see what we can do on these black drum in the black drum hole at the Windmill. We'll be back. Oh, that's a big drum. At the drum hole, to drag it up on the bank. El Panchito got him a drum. Yee! Daddy caught a good one.
But mine's bigger.
Oh, he swallowed that hook too, didn't he?
No, I don't think mine's bigger.
Let her breathe.
Yeah. There you go.
What's up, baby?
Oh, did it get off? No, it's still there.
What you got, a hard head?
Nothing impressive, that's for sure.
Yeah, looks like it.
Yep. Probably not.
Eating shrimp.
Dead shrimp.
Yeah.
You're beautiful. All right, go let it go.
Oh, it's purple.
Let it go right there. Come on. Good girl.
So beautiful, but so slimy.
Got a little tugger here. Get over here away from the boat. Oh, he wants to take a little drag. I got one taking drag.
Big hard head.
See what we got here. We're fishing on this sandbar over here. All right, off the edge of the sandbar. And I can't tell if it's a black drum or a redfish yet. It's in some murky water. These got red. Yeah, redfish. Poppy got a redfish. Might be our first keeper red of the day too. Looks like I might have foul hooked this one. I'm gonna bring him on up here. No, it ain't foul hooked. It's hooked in the mouth. They were fixing to get all sighted because I said it looked like it might be foul hooked. Look yonder.
Oh, wow. That's a nice one.
I got him all muddy on the other side, so it ain't gonna make a very good picture there. Let me wash him off. We'll get some pictures of him. Yeah, we're gonna call him
23?
We'll call him 22 and a half ish if you want to give the half inch to him. She got him hooked in the gut. P, snap that latch right there on that side, on that ice chest. No, open it. Unsnap it.
Oh, yeah, open it. There you go.
We finally starting to put a little ice chest together here. I'm gonna run off with my thing. We got a flounder, what do we got? A flounder, a sheep's head, 2 black drum, and a redfish now. I was sitting on one of these like this one time. I think that one right there by where the bait's at or something. And I reared back and set the hook and missed the fish. I fell over backwards off of it. I had Autumn and Griff with me. They laughed.
I'd be laughing at you too.
Straight up in the air.
Oh, come on now.
Got a bite?
I felt a little hit.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna need that hole, sir.
Fish on again.
Sharing is caring.
Huh?
I said sharing is caring.
Mel was over here pot licking in my spot where I caught that red at a minute ago. This one here had a little aggression when it first took off. Took a little bit of drag. Now he's running down the bank. Frank hooked up too.
Paxton, you got me. Reel in.
We fished all day long for several hours already. And I got a black drum this time. It's a keeper one. He'll make the fillet. He gonna meet Bubba tonight. Yeah, that's 18-inch black drum right there. Go down here and see what Frank got. He might. No, he ain't gonna. That's 18 inches, 17 inches.
What's it gotta be?
A 21, 20. Between 20 and 28. Yeah, he's gonna be too small.
What's up, you good? You open the chest for Bobby?
Last time I did it, you said
I
you
know, but
closed.
you know we gotta put one in there.
Yeah, we gotta put a fish in there.
You just like,
She's not wrong.
Alrighty. We slowly adding to it. Making a mess out of it.
We'll try it. Yes, sir.
Right on the edge of the sandbar. Turn the camera on. Mine's dead.
I think it's on. It should be on. Little guy. He might not make it. I want to go a little further than that.
Got old Mel hooked up. You got a better one?
Guess we'll find out.
She doesn't seem too
Maybe it's
excited.
tough. Well, it started pulling a little drag and now it's not so much.
See what she got there.
Little drum again.
Another black.
Same size.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I got a bump too. That one looks, yeah, it's about the same size. Oh. Look at yonder. Poppy hooked up at the same time, but this one ain't.
Are you really just acting tough?
I got one, but he ain't nothing to write no letters home about. Let's see what I got. Another little trout.
Oh, Poppy got a monster.
A sand trout at that. Like the tide quit moving and the wind quit blowing. And that water done glassed over, and this makes it really hard to find fish. Caught a few black drum and a few redfish here, and that tide quit and they quit. Nothing but hardheads. So we're gonna move on down the river or go find us another spot and see what happens. And we don't know where we're going yet.
Oh, stay hooked. He bit like a beast, but he ain't fighting too hard. Yeah. Little red. Not the right size. Yeah. Not the right size, but there's fish here. Come on, P. Wants to let my fish go. Here, baby. Here.
That's a decent little one.
Yeah, not too bad. You know how to let it go? You gotta pull this, hold this with your hand, and then take this and pull that backwards.
Put it right by the water.
There you go. Push him.
Push him with that thing. There you go.
Ta-da! Beautiful. Look at me, another shrimp.
Putting it on. Well, we got off here in the school of trout, and they're exactly that, school trout. We ain't caught a keeper yet. We caught a 14 3/4. And Frank got one that looks like 14 3/4 again. You got to measure him, Choopy.
His looks like 13.
13 3/4.
Mine was bigger.
And we're pretty much catching them every cast right now. Come on. Almost as soon as it hits the water, the daggum seagulls are after our shrimp. And I'm under. And I got one. Drop that anchor right quick. I'm hooked up on another one. And again, it feels like. Ooh, that one come close right there. Mel come close too, to the water. The boat's gonna spin around on you. Yeah.
13.
How big's that one, Frank? I can't read that thing. 14 and a half?
Yeah.
Something bit his tail off. He was. Something did bite his tail in half. He might have been a 15 incher, had nothing bit his tail. Now they're on this side of the boat. They'll hook up again. She said it feels bigger. We'll see what it looks like. Yeah, it's pretty much every cast. As soon as it hits the water, they're on it.
You don't want to fish, baby. This is
Frank, I missed that. That one hit with some authority. Yeah. Yeah, boy, he hit with some authority, and he ain't barely made 9 inches long. There's one. Another little head shaker. Another 14-inch one. Well, we're gonna call that a day at the river. We did and we ended up with 1 red and 3 drum, sheep's head, and 1 flounder. It was a pretty tough grind today. I noticed that we're the last boat leaving the boat ramp, and it's still 1.5 hours of daylight left, so either everybody caught their fish or they did the same thing we did. They ran out. So we didn't catch anything for about the last 1.5 hours, so we called it quits and we're gonna head out. But we had a good day. We're gonna go home, clean fish, and come back and do it again tomorrow.